Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to book tickets for the Bandaje Waterfalls Trek. So let's get started. First, open Google and search for Aranya Vihara. You'll see the search results like this. Click on the Aranya Vihara website and it will open up the official website. So this is the home page of the website. If the website is not in English, don't worry. You can easily change the language by following the steps shown in the video. Once you change the language, the website will reload and you'll be able to access everything in English. Now let's move on to the next step and book our Trek tickets. Once the page reloads in English, you'll need to log into the website before you can book your tickets. If you're not registered yet, simply click on Register Here and enter the required details. Next, complete the CAPTCHA and you'll receive a confirmation email at the email address you provided during registration. Open the email and confirm your registration. Once your registration is successfully confirmed, you can log into the website and proceed with booking your tickets. Once you log into the website, you'll notice a few changes on the homepage. There are also some changes to the ticket booking criteria, including the cancellation and refund policies. The updated guidelines are displayed here, so make sure to go through them carefully before making your booking. Here are the major changes. First, advance booking. Tickets can now be booked up to 30 days in advance. Next, the cancellation policy. No refunds will be issued for tickets cancelled within 7 days of the trekking date. Also, no new bookings will be accepted against cancelled tickets. ID proof. All trekkers must carry the original ID proof that was used during the booking process. On the day of the trek, you'll need to present the original ID proof during the verification process. So, make sure you carry the same ID proof with you to avoid any issues during the check-in. Checking ticket availability. To check the availability of tickets, first select the district as Chikmagalur. Next, select the trek name as Bandaje Waterfalls Trek. Please note that there are two different treks on the same trail. One is the Balalarayana Durga Fort Trek, and the other is the Bandaje Waterfalls Trek. So make sure you select the Bandaje Waterfalls Trek if you're planning to visit the waterfalls. Then choose the date on which you're planning to go trekking and click on Check Availability. The website will then display the available slots for your selected date. After clicking on Book Now, a new web page will open. Here, you'll need to enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your ID proof. First, enter your full name. Next, select the type of ID proof you're using from the options provided, such as voter ID, driving license, or any other accepted ID proof listed in the box. Then, enter your ID proof number, followed by your age and mobile number in the respective fields. Make sure all the details are entered correctly, as they will be verified on the day of the trek. If you're booking tickets for other people as well, enter their details in the same way, using their respective ID proofs. You can book a maximum of 3 trek tickets with a single login registration. Each trek ticket costs 500 rupees. Once you've filled in all the required details, click on Send OTP. You'll receive an OTP on the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the given field and then enter the CAPTCHA displayed on the screen. After completing these steps, you can proceed with the booking. After clicking on Pay Now, you'll be redirected to the payment gateway. Complete the payment using UPI or internet banking. If everything goes smoothly, your trekking tickets will be successfully confirmed. A few important tips from me to make the booking process easier. I recommend using a laptop or PC to book your tickets, as using a mobile phone can sometimes be troublesome, especially while entering the CAPTCHA. Also, try booking your tickets late at night, between 10 p.m. and midnight, or in the early morning. The server may be less busy during these hours, making the booking process smoother. And that's it, guys. Happy trekking and trek safe.